Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. We have an outstanding video today. We're actually taking a look at somebody who had their best week ever and actually hit $2,750 driving for both Uber and Lyft in one single week. So if you average that out, you know, that's well over $100,000 per year. So we're gonna dive in and take a look at how exactly this Uber driver and Lyft driver was able to do that. However, before we jump in, I wanted to tell you guys all about an exciting opportunity that you could start making money right now, right here on YouTube through Faceless YouTube channels. So I do Faceless YouTube channels, and I've been able to, buy my dream house, the house I'm sitting in right now, here in Southern California by using the Faceless YouTube channel method. And I've, been able to make over $10,000 per month consistently. And I'm teaching you now how to do it with the link below. Just look right here, guys. This is just on my YouTube channel dashboard, dashboard. So far this year, I've brought in over $56,000 just in the first 5 months, right? And last year I brought in, this is just on one single YouTube channel, over $120,000. So that's just on one YouTube channel alone, over 10 grand a month. And it's crazy, YouTube really does pay people very well. And if you can set up a Faceless YouTube channel, you can start making thousands of dollars per month, if you do it correctly. So I have a full tutorial video down below and a group chat that you can join on. And once you join, guys, I'm gonna help you through and guide you as you create your YouTube channel. I have like 5 or 6 different channels, so this is kind of what I do for fun. I even taught one of my friends how to make a Faceless YouTube channel. She started making $40,000 to $50,000 per month. I know these numbers are crazy, but this, doing YouTube changed my life. It took me from working minimum wage jobs and everything to literally achieving, something I never would have thought I could do, which was buy my own house. So anyways, wanted to just say that because, again, this could change your life if you, if it works out for you. And I honestly do think, you don't need to show your face, you don't need a following, you don't need experience. It's quite incredible just the way the internet works now. So let's hop in and look at this driver who made over $2,700 driving Uber and Lyft, okay? So this is in our Uber Lyft drivers Facebook group, and this was actually by a gentleman named Boomer McGinnis. He's one of the top contributors in this group. Look at this. Loving life in Breakaway, Carolina was amazing. Best week of rideshare in 5 years. So everybody's saying, oh, rideshare is dead. Uber and Lyft is dead. It's the end of Uber and Lyft. Well, wait until Tesla releases their robo-taxis, then we'll see. But for now, there's money to be made. Look at this. $2,750 for the week. I was at $975 going into Friday, so already $1,000 on the weekday alone. That's really good. 1674 miles driven, $101 charging cost. I can't spin this. It is what it is. 6 cents a mile cost to drive the Tessie. Oh, he drives the Tesla, of course. I really wonder if he's doing a Model Y, because Model Y, actually, you can do Uber Black on there. And if you have the 3rd row, you can also do XL. Honestly, if you get a 3rd row Model Y, guys, for cheap, I really would consider checking that out. And actually, if you go to Hertz actually is offloading a lot of EVs right now because they bought, I believe it was 100,000 Teslas, and they are now selling a lot of them because the time that it takes to repair them are, they said it was too much. So anyways, you can shop EVs and just take a look at the Teslas. Look at this. If you buy a Tesla Model Y from Hertz, these might be one of the better deals you can buy. You can sort here. This is just Hertz. And the cool thing I like about Hertz is that they have a 7-day buyback guarantee, meaning that if you, at least right now at the time, obviously verify once you go there, but Hertz has a 7-day buyback guarantee, which is one of the reasons why I was considering buying from Hertz, because you can, it's a, Hertz buyback guarantee. 7 days, 250 miles after purchase, you can return your Hertz certified vehicle. bring it back and pay the difference for another higher price vehicle, or we'll refund you. We make it that easy. So you can buy one of these things. Obviously they're former rentals, but look at this. You can get a 2022 Tesla Model Y for 28K, 28,000 bucks. And I actually talked to them and they said, oh, when you're thinking about taxes and fees, just times it by 12%. So the car out the door would be 32K for a 2022 Tesla Model Y, which is honestly not that bad. The other website you can buy one of these cars is on Carvana. Let's look if there's any cheaper ones. We'll just do a little quick price match. Obviously you can buy them private party on Facebook Marketplace, which I always recommend, you know, just doing your research, especially, can you actually take a look at the price? Let's just do 30,000 just to see if there's any cheaper ones. Tesla Model Y, these are all Model 3s. Trying to see if, here's one for 28K, 80,000 miles. Yeah, it's pretty similar to the Hertz one though. I was trying to see if there's just any killer deals, 28K. Yeah, it seems like the cheapest I'm seeing is around 28,000. Let's see the cheapest on Carvana though. And a cool thing about Carvana is they also do have a 7-day buyback thing. 29K cheapest one here, but only 49K miles. 2021 though, so it's a little bit older. Yeah, honestly, these ones at Hertz seem like probably one of the better deals. These ones, yeah, there's some in San Diego, there's some in Illinois. It just depends obviously where you live, but you can type in your location. So anyways, I just wanted to say that. I don't know if he does drive a Model Y, but I do know that Model Y does qualify for Uber Black. And plus, if it has that third row, you know, you can do XL, I believe, with that too. So Uber customers paid $3,300 bucks. That's good to know. Expenses were $520, leftover for the man plus Uber, $27.83. The man's pay, $2,572.8 for Uber profit, $211. How dare Uber keep 8%? Very interesting. So this guy, look at these screenshots, guys. 2572.84, 75 hours. Almost 76 hours. That's a lot of driving. 76 divided by 7, 10.85 hours per day. But yeah, you can see on Saturday and Sunday he really was raking it in. And then on this is Lyft, another 2 hours. So probably some overlap time there, obviously, with you know, being online with both apps. I'm sure he was multi-apping, but yeah, as you can see there, guys, I mean, it is. He even added all the screenshots. This guy really goes into depth here, but yeah, guys. Oh, this is his electric cost, total cost of charging. Interesting. So yeah, really interesting breakdown here. I hope you guys you know, got a little taste of what it looks like. But yeah, you're really driving, averaging out like 11 hours a day driving. If you're gonna want to make what was it, 2750. And then if you times that by every single week, you're talking about $143,000 a year, guys. I mean, honestly, that's more than a lot of doctors make or lawyers. So this guy's really maximizing. I mean, this is the peak, the top of what you could earn driving for Uber and Lyft. So yeah, guys, just wanted to make that video. And also, if you are interested in joining my Faceless YouTube channel program, right now there should be a free trial if you're watching this for the first 100 people, unless those spots are done. So if you enroll today, you will be charged $000, and then you will join the group. Once you join in, you can click the login button here, and once you log in, you'll get access go to My Programs, and then click View Programs. You can watch all the material, and then there will be a group chat that we are in the process of still setting up. And that way, once you join the group chat, you can send in your YouTube channel as you're creating it, because I walk you through all the steps under my program section. And I really want you to actually create a Faceless YouTube channel, guys, and try it out. Try to see if you can, you know, make some of those numbers that I was talking about. Over $10,000 per month is what I'm earning on one of my YouTube channels. and I have 3 right now that are monetized and a couple other ones in the works. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme at all. Faceless YouTube channel, guys, I almost can guarantee that you won't make any money in the first month. It's more of like a long-term plan of doing YouTube, because it's one of those things. Oh yeah, this is actually on, one of my other channels. See, this is a lifetime revenue on one of my other channels, 239,000. So you can see, you know, I bought my dream house from YouTube. This is the house I bought. It costs over $1 million, and now I actually have already made several $100,000 just by owning the property, because of house prices have gone up so much over the past. I've had it for just over 2 years now in Southern California. You know, I'm by the beach. You know, this is everything I ever dreamed of. And so, anyways, I'm rambling at this point, but I would really invite you to join in on this and try it out. Again, there's a free trial right now, so there's no risk or obligation. You can just cancel it if you'd like, and you know, no harm, no foul. But yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts with this dude who raked it in on Uber. Thanks for watching. We'll talk soon.